What's up, guys? In this video, we going to tell you, all right, this one is kind of, you know, basically don't compare yourself to anyone else. All right. Now, I don't know, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know who's going to use this course. I don't know who you are, probably. We've never met, and you have, I'm sure, lots of skills and abilities and things that you're good at that I'm really bad at, and vice versa, right? And as many people as there are in the world, you have that many different levels of abilities for various skills. Now, even if you're not let's just say you suck at everything and you barely know how to turn on your computer and you're uncomfortable on camera and you're just starting from the bottom in every single way, that's okay. That's not only is that okay, but that's good, right? Wherever you are in your journey is good, right? Actually, I'm even going to write that down. If I can. Wherever you are in your journey, good job. Okay. And again, I learned this from watching a video of a dating coach, right? A pickup coach. And he basically said, now, regardless of what you think of the pickup community, one thing that you have to admit that is respectable, that you can respect them for, a lot of these guys start out as nerds who have very bad social skills, and they approach people in public. It's called cold approaches, in order to improve their social skills, which is who does that? That's impossible, even for popular, well-adjusted people. They're not going out and talking to random people without a lot of alcohol. It doesn't happen. So this specific guy, he went out every day for 2 years by himself for 10 hours a day and just talked to random people. And he said, wherever you are in your journey, good job. You just had the worst night of your life and nobody wants to talk to you, good job. You just this is a dating example. You just brought home the hottest girl you've ever been with, good job. You just got a girl's number and she flaked on you, good job. Wherever you are, good job. As long as you're trying and as long as you're working on it, and as long as you're doing something, just take that victory. Don't be so hard on yourself. And if you compare it, when I started doing this online marketing, making these funnels and stuff a few months ago, I joined a couple of Facebook groups and I saw somebody, there was a guy on there who posted his results and he made $20,000 in a weekend or something ridiculous like that. And there's a lot of people out there humble bragging, they'll do stuff like this and they'll humble brag and then they'll add some vague generic comment that's just add value or just offer people what they want. It's bro, tell me what you said, don't because you know what they're trying to do. They're just trying to brag but make it seem like they're not bragging and being quote unquote helpful, right? And I don't like that, which is why I made the course so detailed, right? And I tell you very specific things because I hate that other stuff. But anyway, I was comparing myself to this guy and I was really beating myself up about it because at this point I'd been doing it for a month and I hadn't made any money. And I was very frustrated. So eventually I reached out to this guy and I was like, hey man, listen, I saw your posts and I'm, straight up, I told him, I was I'm jealous, tell me what I have to do to get you to help me or coach me or teach me. Anyway, it turns out that this guy has been doing online marketing for years and he's got a side hustle school that he signs people up for. And I looked at his Facebook profile, he's got pictures of him in suits with famous people. I'm not on this guy's level at all, right? He can post in his groups and say he's doing something and he can make sales like that. Right, the guy's been at it for way longer, and he's not only that, he's on Facebook all day. Right, I don't want to be on Facebook all day. That's why I'm recording these videos now in a course that I can give away for free and sell in the future, so that I don't have to be on Facebook all day, making posts or whatever. I just don't want to do that. But anyway, the point is that on the one hand, okay, fine, it's good to compare yourself. For me, I guess to compare myself to that guy, because at least it shows me what's possible with a certain level of work. But on the other hand, it doesn't, why would I beat myself up for comparing myself to somebody who's so far ahead of me? This guy's put in way more time and way more effort than I have. What right do I have to compare myself to him? And just the gap between him and I is so large, the gap between you and somebody else might be very large, right? You might be ahead of a lot of people or you might be behind. So anyway, the point is that wherever you are, where Eve you are, just be happy with it, because if you keep working on it every day and you keep trying new things and you keep improving your skills, you will get better. And the whole reason I'm even talking about this and making all these videos is because selling information products and establishing yourself as an expert, that's the ultimate goal. Okay, that's the real deal right there. Once you essentially get famous for knowing a lot about something, providing a lot of information about something, you're set for life. That's it. You don't have to worry about money ever again. Unless you like pull like Jared from Subway and like, do something bad. Anyway. All right, so anyway, the point is, wherever you are in your journey, good job. All right? Don't beat yourself up. Maybe a little bit. As long as you're trying.